This video provides instructions for cleaning the printer in your Blade 2 saw. Always follow all posted safety instructions. Perform any lockout/tagout procedures according to your company's guidelines, and always review all documentation before operating any equipment. The printer face needs to be cleaned at least twice a day. Trimming the ends of the brush provided with your printer is recommended so that the bristles become shorter and therefore stiffer. Refer to the printer's manufacturer for further safety and handling information. Using a cloth rag or spraying cleaner directly onto the nozzles may push debris into the print head nozzle. Always use a clean brush and the Matthews brand cleaning solution. To easily access the print heads, the top clamp inside the saw chamber should be in the unclamped position. Open the saw chamber door and ask another person to lift the top clamp to the topmost position. With the other person holding the clamp, engage the lever inside the saw chamber. Dip the brush into a separate container containing a small amount of the cleaner. Lightly move the brush back and forth across each nozzle, ensuring all visible traces of ink are gone. Rinse the brush with cleaner immediately to remove the ink before it dries. Place the brush in a plastic container and seal it shut. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact MiTek Automation Support.